What's up, fellas? I hope you guys liked my video last night. If you didn't, then go fuck yourself. But I got an hour off work. Guinness left over. So I figured I may as well make a bonus video. Ooh. Bailey's. And a little bit of Jameson's to top it all off. Oh, don't want to get any beer on my work sweater. There we go. That's better. All right. To honor. Get on her. Stay on her. If you can't come in her, come on her. Oh, delicious. All right, Dennis. You're up, buddy. Don't let us down.